What's going on, everybody? Good morning or good day, depending on when you are seeing this. I'm just going straight into work, just going straight into work. And then we're gonna be doing customer orders, and then we're gonna be doing an FBA shipment, and then we'll be done. So hopefully it's not too long of a video. Don't wanna waste your time, and also don't wanna waste mine. So see you guys all in a bit, and yeah. I also just got my box full of hats, so there's 40 hats in here. We got the brown, the navy blue, the gold, and the dark green. So if you are interested, go to my link in bio and go purchase one or check them out. All right, guys, so that was way fast. Just got all the customer stickers out. There are some that I already had made, so these are just the ones I needed to get done. So now I'm just waiting on stamps.com to work. Like I've told you plenty of times, stamps.com is the worst website to use for envelopes, but it's the only website for envelopes that you can ship. Unless you know of one, please let me know. But that is the only one. It's like the DMV for envelope printing. So if there's another website out there that prints out envelopes quickly, please let me know. I mean, it literally stalls business. But anyways, we are now going to work on FBA shipments until stamps.com works. So let's go do that now. All right, guys, so I just finished these. That was so fast. This would have taken me like 3 hours. But now we are working on a new design. This is for a friend of mine, my dad's friend, my friend. He's been helping me out with my car, so I'm making some hairstyle studio stickers because he has a business called Deco Hair Studio in Solana Beach. If you do your hair, he's amazing. His name's Randy, so go check him out in Solana Beach. But I gotta give back because he does not want anything from me. He doesn't want money from me, but he's been helping me out, giving me parts for the Baja bug that I have. So I'm gonna go give him a good amount of stickers right now. All right, guys, so I just finished. I hope he loves them. Like, it's such a cool brown. I went for like a wood color because the outside of his shop is wood. So it's like wood and concrete. So I thought it'd be kind of cool and modern. Like I said, if you women out there and men do your hair, you like your hair styled, or hair studio. I don't really know much. It's a salon, but he does a great job. All of his reviews are 5 stars. So if you live in Solana Beach area or San Diego area, check out Deco Hair Studio. But yeah, let's get back to the video. All right, guys, so we are done. Here is our FBA package and then our envelopes. So now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting off with eBay, we made $14.31, which is not good, but we made $75.22 on Shopify yesterday, which was good. And we made $526.69 on Amazon yesterday, so that's good. We made $616 in revenue yesterday. And so now we are at $96.47, so $9,647. We could be doing better, but that's all good. We're still doing all right for ourselves. So anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for YouTube algorithm, and also help people find my video just like you guys did. And then also, if you guys are interested, I make a video every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So if you want to watch me hit 30K, please subscribe down below and make a video every single day. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.